at the cost of animals' lives. I'm sorry. But damn, oh my gosh, hey, it's me. If you know me and you're subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate you. But if you don't know me, I'm that Samuel. Will that ever get old? Probably not. But anyway, today, this video is so awesome. I literally can't wait. I can't wait to show you. But anyway, oh my god, I'm literally rambling already just because of the excitement that I'm feeling internally. But I have a package that I need to go pick up at the post office. And you know what it is? It is a glamorous shopping spree that I did with my mumsy online. And I got some items, dude. I got some items. And I'm excited. The last Michael Kors product I have, wait, let me show you. Oh my gosh. Yes, here we go. This is the last item that I got. And for some reason it does this, but whatever. But this is the last item that I got from Michael Kors over a year ago, I believe. And I'm loving it. I still love it. I use her often. She's been good to me. And she's still gonna remain probably my favorite, but I got another backpack and I got a wallet and I got some killer shoes that I can't wait to show you guys. And I can't wait to show myself them because I've only seen them online.
So yeah.
I just wanted to make this little introductory beginning to the video instead of just like popping open and being like, hey, here's a box. But yeah, I'm gonna like maybe film my way a little bit once I get the box. Maybe you'll get to see that. That could be kind of fun, right? And also I did mention on my last Michael Kors video for this bag, I mentioned that I had this Roots wallet. Yeah, I still have it. And it's getting replaced today. So I'm literally living. I'm so excited and I'm just so grateful to be alive right now. I'm literally like loving life. Anyway, let's go. Oh my god, I picked it up. I'm sorry if the footage is like so shitty. I'm on my iPhone. But I got my package and I'm so excited. And yeah, anyway, I don't want to give anything away. But yeah, I'll see you at home. I'm gonna set up everything real cute on the bed and open it up. I can't wait. See you at home. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm home. It's finally happening. Okay, here's the package. From Michael Kors. I have some items in here that I can't wait to show you guys. But first, I want to share with you a little story time video. A little story time of what happened to get this, okay? So I paid like, you know, a normal amount for shipping, $15 literally. But this came from Montreal, Canada to Vancouver. And then it arrived in Vancouver about 3 to 4 days ago. And the post office that I got sent to never gave me a slip to pick it up from like my apartment or whatever. So I email Michael Kors first being like, where's my package? Like, which post office is it at? Because there's so many around, you know what I mean? And then I literally email them and I'm like, I don't have a slip, like what is going on? Like somebody's error is like costing me my fashion. Like I can't have that happen, like hello? So after that, Michael Kors messaged me back telling me where my package is, so I knew where to go for. I knew who to go for and what department to go for. Seeking after, missile coming after you. So once I go through to the post office line, once I actually get there, the lady's, oh, can you hold for one? And I'm like, okay, hold for one, whatever that means. Apparently holding for one is holding for 4 minutes. And so when she actually did answer, she was like,
"Hey, what can I help you with?"
I literally got 4 words into my sentence, and she like cut me off already, and I was like, girl, hello, I've been waiting already, like let me finish my sentence. Oh my god, I had to see her in real person, in real life. In real person. I had to see her in real life, and she was like, oh yeah, were you on the phone? And I was like, yeah, like obviously I feel upset because like my stuff hasn't arrived as it should. Like, come on people, do your jobs. Literally, you have a job for a reason, so just do it. She was like, it's not that big of a deal. Just come in and like give us your name. I had to message and do this and do that to actually know where my package was being held in the first place. And she was like, oh, it's not a big deal. And in the back of my mind, I was like, girl, like, I just didn't want to give it to her. So I was like, okay, thank you, bye. And then she didn't say thank you back. And I was like, bitch. Anyway, this is not what this video is about. This is a happy video about these Michael Kors items. And I'm so excited to show you them. So excited. Okay, so I got my trusty scissors, my little cow scissors here. Moo. Here we go. I guess I'm just gonna open it. Oh my god, I should be like careful. There's like items in here. I'm just like stabbing through. Oh, by the way, if you could tell from like the few minutes ago in the video, I guess, I had to do my makeup. Because I looked back at the footage and I was like, I just don't look good with no makeup on. Like you could see all my redness, everything in my face. So I was like, hold on. For a glam video, I need to get glammed up. You know what I mean? Oh, hello. Oh, I'm just destroying her. Okay, I think I know what these are. Okay, these are the shoes. Oh my god. This is, I know what this is. I'll get to that in a second. Girl, I'll recycle you later. Oh my god, okay, so I got my items here. Oh my god, okay. What do I begin with first? Let's start with the wallet, because I haven't had a new wallet in literally over a decade probably, and this wallet, let me tell you, it's so cute. It's like in this wrapping. Okay, unwrapping it. Whoa, do you see this? Like, hello? Oh my god. I'm for real. Shooketh to my core. I don't know why I say shooketh. But literally, oh my god, guys. Oh, gotta get this out of there. Oh my god. So this is actually a snakeskin wallet. Yes, you heard her right. This is a snakeskin. So, oh my god, I literally can pull it out of my bag, be like, oh, what was that? What was that for my cappuccino? Sorry, I need to take this off to have the completed look. There's just so many things in this wallet. So much room for everything. It literally says right there, I don't know if you can see, but it says Michael Kors snakeskin. Genuine snakeskin. I'm sorry, animals. It's just, it looks so good. I'm sorry, at the cost of animals' lives, I'm sorry. But damn! But yeah, oh my gosh. It's just, so good. Okay, are you ready to go to the second item? So, item number 2, I think I want to save the backpack for last, even though I can see it over there. But, okay, the next item, some shoes. Some great shoes, and I'm so excited. Actually, I'm getting goosebumps. Can you see? I'm getting goosebumps because I want you guys to see how glam these shoes are. Okay, let's just go in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Literally. Sickening. You have to get a zoom of this. Like, hello. Oh my god. And the other one, like, hello, come on out to play too. Okay, I don't want that there. She needs to come to play with her sister. So these are actually snake embossed leather. So I don't think it's real snake, but it's real leather. Oh my gosh. And it has like that signature like gold on the back that says Michael Kors and everything. Oh my god. The only time I'm gonna be able to put these, like, oh my god, the sole on my face. Like, when am I gonna be able to do this again? Oh, feels so good. And oh, they're just so cute. I'll tell you the prices of everything at the end, but okay. Are we ready to go on to the next item? Oh my god, look at everything. Okay, next item. So, last, but certainly not least at all, is my new backpack from Michael Kors. In here. She's coming out. Come on out to play, girl. Oh. Everything's wrapped to perfection, which I'm glad about. Oh my god, I loved doing this last time with the straps. Here we go. Oh my god. Yes, I love doing that. Oh my god. I remember that from the last bag. Play the clip. Ooh, just like...
Oh, that was fun.
Did you see that? That was fun,
That's fun.
Oh, yes, yes. Okay, oh shit. Okay, making things fly everywhere. Sorry, my bad. Ooh. Okay. Where are those scissors? I need this off. Take those tags right off. We don't need those on there. Oh, it looks even cuter on camera. Oh, so good. Oh my god. Literally, whoa. I feel like Tana. Whoa.
Hey, whoa.
And this time, there's probably not gonna be a defect. Wow, that's so nice. Guys, I'm not even kidding you. This. So this is my new backpack. It feels, oh my god. Ooh, it just feels so nice. Obviously it has like stuffing on the inside to make it feel like that. Oh my god. I'm sorry that most of this video is just me going over like these products. But I'm just having a good time, so you know what? I'm not sorry. Ooh, it comes with its own little carrying case to put over this little bag to keep the pristineness, I guess. That's cool, I guess. Okay. I want to see how it'll be once I take out all the stuffing. See how it handles and stuff. Woo! So look in there. Can you see? So you don't have like a lot of room, but I love how small it is. You could just kind of like, you know what I mean? Whoa, okay. The straps are big and large. I have to custom fit it to my body, but you know, you can see the vision here, right? Oh my gosh, and the brown straps though. I love all this so much. Let's look in this little one. So it's like the bigger bag that I got. So if you want to see a more in-depth video on what these bags are like, please see that video. But oh my gosh. Oh, and then here's like that little compartment for a lipstick or something. I love that. I love all of this. And then I can put this inside here, and then that's like all I have. And then, oh my god. And you can wear this alone as a wristlet. I don't even think I showed that off. Like you could just like be like, oh hi. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you the prices of everything. So the wristlet in Canadian dollars. The wristlet was almost $200, so $198. And this is without the tax added on to that. And then the snake embossed leather trainers were also $198. So they're the same price as this little wallet, these shoes, you know? Like, and then this gorgeous little bag, my new best friend, is $278. So if you add it up all together, it was about almost $800, but for clickbaity purposes, I'll probably say $1,000 spending spree on Michael Kors. I'm so grateful, honestly, to the world for the life that I live. Yeah, thank you, God, honestly, thank you. And thank you to all of you for watching this video, because it's now done. I might do some like B-roll at the end with like the things. I might do that. I have a friend coming over and maybe I'll make him my camera slave. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more content like this of me getting more glam stuff and filming it on camera for you, you know, who doesn't like to see a boy getting excited for girl products, right? Honestly, fuck gender roles. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys real soon. And yeah, I hope you're having a fantastic day, because I am. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.